So we're riding through the Annapolis area today, the outskirts of Annapolis, not downtown. And like I said, a lot of back roads, a lot of windy, twisty turns. So we're looking forward to a little bit slower riding today and a lot more single file. It's good to mix it up. Lead has given the signal that we are going to ride single file because the roads are getting more narrow. So we will be all single file on this road because you can see how narrow the road is. We got to watch out for the standing water and any wildlife back here too. This is all back roads. These are a lot of fun to ride because you can really lean into your turns, and typically there's less traffic and less stop signs and stoplights. And now he's given the signal to go back to staggered.
It's a little difficult to see, but in this clip, one of the riders has a rear wheel lockup in an attempt to avoid a branch that had fallen in the roadway.
Nice job on the emergency braking, by the way.
I locked up, bro. You locked up?
Yeah, you locked up.
That's why I slowed down. Off of his bike, it was like...
Oh, I could see that, and I went way wide. I was like, yeah, it's less over here. I'm going to stay way wide.
Road closed ahead. I guess we'll find out. So apparently that's what happened.